In this video, we will cover zones. Zones allow companies to specify coverage areas as well as custom and flat rate pricing based on a ride start location. To use this feature, you need to first draw your zones out. You have the ability to set a specific coverage zone to a service level. In this video, we will cover creating the actual zones, and we'll cover how to create the custom and flat rate pricing in the next video. If one of your services is only offered in a specific geographic area, you can create a zone and set that zone at that specific service level's coverage zone. This would then only show that service as available to customers booking via the web app or mobile app as long as their pickup location is in the specific zone. For example, if my Zan service has a coverage zone of Manhattan, I can create a Manhattan zone, and now only rides that have start locations within the Manhattan zone would be able to see that service as available on the web app or mobile app. So let's create some zones. You can create zones in the dispatching center by going to pricing over here on the left-hand menu and then zones. In the zone screen, you can click on the green add zone button to start drawing your zone. For this example, we will draw a zone around JFK Airport. We'll click this Draw New Shape button over here, and you can start adding like regions or shapes. To create the zones, it's a simple click and drop around this area that you want to designate. So you go clicking to create the dots, and you ultimately end up connecting them. Once you're done, you can click on Done Drawing, and you enter Save to make sure that all your settings save. You can also add zones by zip code. So if you click on the Add Zone button and then click on Enter Postal Code, the section will highlight the zone for you based on the zip code. Once done, you can click Save. Now, using zones. Once you have created your zones, you can begin applying them to either your coverage zones or your flat rates. To use them as a coverage zone, you would go to Pricing on the left-hand menu, Service Levels, and then you would edit the service level for which you'd like to set the zone. So we will choose a service level that we'd like to edit, and we'll go to the coverage zone section over here. You look up the zone that you'd like to set, and then you click Save. Now this makes it so only rides within the JFK zone will work for this specific service level. Once you're done, you click Save, and when you have successfully set the coverage zone of your service type, you can open up your customer app or website to try to schedule a ride. You will only see that your updated service type if your updated location is within the coverage zone.